What's up, guys? This is going to be our room tour here for the Carnival Ecstasy. Now we're on deck 6 upper. We're located right near the central elevators here at U56. Come on in, let me show you around.
Hi guys, come on in.
So when you come on into the room, this is the view that you're greeted with. It's a nice open space. I really love how they've set up the bedding here. So we've got one bed over here, one bed over there. It leaves all this floor plan for you to kind of work with. I really like it that way. It makes the room feel that much more open. But let me back up just a bit so I can show you guys the closet set up here. So Mama Hokum, first closet that we come to. Now we have just stored a couple of our things in there. So up top we do have our soda, which is actually a really nice place for it.
Yeah.
I really like it there. I think we can just open the front, pull them out, because this room does not have a mini fridge. We'll get to that in a second, but it does not have a mini fridge, so we're gonna have to get creative on ways to store our cold stuff, or stuff that, you know, we would normally store in the fridge. So here is the first closet. Now, as I say in every room tour video, you know, this one has got, I think, 6 coat hangers right here. If you need more, just ask your stateroom steward. They'll be glad to get more for you. There's one shelf here, so I would think that you can hang some garments here. Maybe not some dresses, but like for the men, you know, the sport jackets, your regular t-shirts, that kind of stuff go in this closet. And then you have a little shelf here, and down below some extra bedding for you if you did need that. Moving on.
Converted it to a king size bed.
Right. Moving on to closet number 2. Now in here, this is a full length closet. So this, ladies, this is where you're gonna want to store those ball gowns, those nice elegant dresses. They're gonna fit perfectly in this closet for you. Now we did just throw the suitcase down there, but normally we'll be throwing those right under the bed over there in just a little bit. Plenty more coat hangers in here for you. As I said, if you ever need more, you can ask your stateroom steward, or you can bring your own. I mean, that's always an option too. I'm sure they're not gonna disagree with that. And then finally, the third closet here on board the Carnival Ecstasy here in our interior room. And this is the shelved one. So this is the one that you can put those shorts, you know, the bathing suits, stuff, underclothes, stuff that you can stack and layer on shelves could go in here. But then you do have your safe right here. So the way that works, you just put in your code. We'll put in 1, 2, 3, 4, and press the little star. And boom, it is locked. And then to unlock it, you just put in that same code. Oh wait, let me let it think. You put in that same code, and it is unlocked. There you go. Now we've just thrown in there a wallet and our car keys, because we definitely don't need those. So that is the closet situation here. Now up top is your life jackets. That is one thing to note, that your life jackets here are up top above your closet space. And I see 1, 2, looks like 2, maybe 3 up there for you. So just double check, make sure you do have enough life jackets for your room. If everything goes right, you'll never need them, but just in the event that you do, just double check that, make sure that you do have the life jackets. Moving on over here to the countertop area. So we do have some drawers down below. Now right here, this is the laundry information, I do believe. Oh no, that's the security guide. This is the laundry information here. So if you wanted to do laundry, that you would fill that suit out. You know, you mark, like, you know, if you have a 2-piece suit, you mark that, and it tells you the prices for everything there. Listed on that little sheet. Let me turn these lights on over here so you guys can see a little better. Tells you all the prices right there for that. So if you guys want to pause the video and check that out, you can. There's the price list for it. Moving on, drawer number 2, and in there is your lovely hair dryer. So it's not wired in, so you will need to use one of the outlets over here. Or pro tip, bring a power strip, and then you don't use up one of your 2 outlets. That's what we do. And then just 2 more drawers down below. So if you wanted to throw some socks in there, some undergarments, you could do that right there for you. Trash bin located right under the chair, and then the pull-out chair, so ladies, you can sit here and do your makeup. Ooh la la. Get looking all nice and fancy. The bedding situation, guys, you already know Carnival's bedding is just far none. I personally really love it. I would go buy it for my house if it wasn't $400. But one day, maybe. Right over here, you have 2 beach towels for you. They say, take me out, sun needed. You can take those up to the pool deck and exchange them up there, or you just bring them back, set them on your bathroom floor at night, and your stateroom steward will exchange them for you. The phone, located right over here, just above the drink situation. So you have guest services, medical, camp, ocean, spa, carnival, just to name a few, room service also on there. So everything you need, that's your hotline to the rest of the ship. Now come on over here. here is the breakfast menu. So what you do is you just set this outside of your stateroom before 3 a.m. for the next day. And just check whatever you want, and it'll be delivered at whatever time you select right up there on top. Here's your snoozing sign. Set that out if you are a late sleeper. Now, the AC. Where is the AC at? The control box. Well, right there, actually. It is on the ceiling. So the way it works is you turn it to turn it off, to turn it to heat, and then we turn it up. I've never seen that before. That is a first for me. What about you, Mama Hokum?
I haven't, but I love it.
I do. That's actually really cool. It's simple. It's simple. It's really hard
There's
to...
a lot of things to describe about this room. Simple, but it's nice.
It's right, simple but nice. And that, let me actually go ahead and state that is the first thing that we notice when walking in here is it smells very, very clean. It has a great scent to it, not like a bleach scent, like a fresh floral smell to it. Very nice. You can tell the room's been cleaned very well. So bravo to our room steward already. We haven't even met him or her yet. Over here's your entertainment system. So they've got just a couple of magazines down there for you. The Effie, of course, Style for All, and Fun Ashore. That is your shore excursion booklet. Take a moment and read through that if you don't know what shore excursions you're going to be doing yet. Up top, they do have the safety briefing going on for you right now on the TV. It just tells you kind of where the lifeboats are, where the meeting locations are, that kind of thing. So like I said, in the event of an emergency, you will be well prepared. I do want to mention for you that over here on the desktop is going to be your fun times. Now that is your daily program, your outline for everything that's going to be happening throughout the day. So make sure you keep that handy, or you can download the Carnival Fun Hub app, and they've got everything in there for you. They've got dinner times, they've got show times, they've got just different activities that's going on. Basically, it's a digital version of this right here. So make sure you do check that out when you get a moment. And Mom, this is something that you haven't seen, but Peter and I noticed that they've started personalizing everything. So it'll actually show us that Anne and Joshua, and then it'll give us their recommendation for Princess Kay since we haven't booked. And then Nassau, it says thank you for your purchase. So it's the personalization has stepped up a little bit. That was one thing that I really did like about it. And then also here is the room service menu. So make sure you do check that out when you get a moment. Finally, we'll move on to the bathroom. So this is the area that is the most different. Can I say those words? The most different about this interior stateroom. Let me show you. You can tell everything's got just a little bit of age to it. That's not an issue. You know why? Because it's still clean. It's still clean and very functional. The toilet is this very same system. It's just a push button here, and that's how it flushes. Your linens, of course, some space to hang some extra linens, and then standard sink, standard shower, the Carnival shampoo. You guys know I love the Carnival shampoo. And then you also have your clothesline here. That's what this thing is. It is not a bell. You just stretch it across like this, and then you can hang your clothes up, your wet clothes. So really nice and handy there for you. There it goes. Now, the one thing that I will say I wish there was a little bit more of here on the Ecstasy is some counter space in the bathroom. It is a little bit lacking, I would say.
Well, but I actually like it better in this room. I mean, in this bathroom. And I mean, you got to think, this ship is designed for a shorter cruise.
Right.
So you shouldn't need as much as you would for a longer cruise.
Right.
But I like it because to me, it makes the overall bathroom to me appear larger.
Yeah, I mean it does. You definitely feel like you've got a little bit more room to move around here. You don't have your left foot in the shower while you're sitting on the toilet. But I just wish there was a little bit more counter space, So overall, a fantastic room. Really am looking forward to spending the next 5 days here aboard the Carnival Ecstasy in our room. This is room U56 here on board the Carnival Ecstasy. If you're thinking about an interior room, this is the room you should stay at. Thanks for watching, guys. It's been real. It's been fun. It's been real fun. See ya. Bye.